I'm very good.
Well, how is your experience at Pranav?
Actually, very nice. I went through this treatment. For me, I felt that I went through it pretty easily. So, now, I'm still fasting, but I'm sure I will get the benefit of the treatment very soon.
How did you come to know about this place?
How did I know about this place? But because Sanjay, I met you already in Udaipur, when in your little office nearby Chitak Circle, nearby the old city of Udaipur. So then I learned that you are having a retreat center. So then after our meeting, I decided to go through this Panchkarma.
Okay, great. So how did you come to know about this Panchkarma?
How did I know? Because I stay for a while in Kerala, and I had a training with to learn about the Ayurvedic medicine and the practice of massage and so on. And some people did in that time. Some people in my group were going through this treatment, like having Panchkarma. And I shared their experience. I shared their experience, and then I said one day I should do it.
Okay. So this time you planned 10 to 15 days specially for this detox in your visit to India.
Yes, I was planning 10-15 days, and we had to shorten it because I have to go back to Jaipur for some issue.
Yes. But for 10 days, 10 to 12 days, you spent for all these things.
Yeah. In fact, the plan was to stay here for 20 days, but I couldn't make it. So I did on 12 days, but 12 days was fine. Was very good.
So one thing I would like to know about this, all our team, all this about this place and about the procedure, your care. So would you like to comment on all these?
Well, yes,
things?
of course. I felt a good support from the staff. I met the other doctors. Everybody were nice. Very careful, very kind. So yes, it was a very good experience in this retreat center.
The food.
Food was a bit, can I say, bit plain because you have to follow a certain diet. So it's
like
not a very
dedicated
tasteful,
food. It was
tasteful food, but it is the process, and you have to follow the protocol anyway.
Yes. So with this detox process, any message you would like to give the listeners, whoever is listening to this video?
When you have like a little problem, like for example, today I'm having some skin problem, then of course it's good. I will see afterwards if it is very efficient. But for the mind, it's very I feel very restful and very relaxed. I would recommend a detox because it's always good to have a detox at least once in the year.
Yes.
It brings you a lot of benefit.
I would like to know especially about this procedure, because on the internet we see many fake kind of this detox and many like juice detox, some kind different of detox are available, and people are we can say sometime knowingly or unknowingly people are doing wrong things. So I just want to learn, or I just want to aid your experience that you have gone through this Panchkarma detox procedure.
Yeah, well, I think you know, with the experiences I went through before, I think yes, I had the right program, and I followed the right protocol for myself. You know, with a good diagnostic from the doctor.
Okay, great. Then last one. So overall, your experience or your recommendation to us or your endorsement to us.
Well, of course, I already recommend some people because, as I said, going through this kind of detox, it's always good for your mind and body. And if you have like any kind of health issue, you can fix it. I'm taking Ayurvedic medicine for many years, and it's very beneficial. So of course I would highly recommend people to go through this process, definitely.
Okay, great. Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Denawat.